Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? The first question people ask me when they come to my office is usually, "What's your Wi-Fi password?" I'm happy to give my guests free access to the internet. It's hard to walk each person through my secure password. So I have been gone through some forums, watched videos on YouTube. And finally, I found a better way to accomplish this task. We may share our Wi-Fi password via a QR code. So today I'm going to share with you how to create a QR code that's sharing your office's or home's Wi-Fi password. Open any web browser. Access to the QR Code Monkey website. Then click on Wi-Fi tab. To create a Wi-Fi password QR code, we just need the wireless SSID, password and encryption mode. Let me enter the info to create a QR code. Click on the Create QR Code to compile the QR code. Here we are, this is the Wi-Fi password QR code. Let's try scan with mobile. You may use any QR code scanner in your mobile, but for this demo session, I am using Google Lens. Point the scanner to QR code. While success read, tap on the QR code. You may find the Wi-Fi detail that you have created. Click on the Join Network to add the network detail to your Wi-Fi profile. Next, let me show you how to further DIY the QR code. First, we may change the QR code color. Like change the body color, iframe color, and eye color. After the change, create the Create QR Code to refresh the changes. You may change the QR code color as your preference, but please avoid light or bright color, because light or bright color QR code is hardly scanned. And remember, to refresh changes, you are required to click the Create QR Code button. Next, add an image logo to the QR code. We may upload our own logo, or use the preloaded logo. Last, let's change the body shape, iframe shape, and eye shape. This is the final result. Let's scan the QR code with mobile. Open any QR scanner app. Point the scanner to the QR code. As you see, we have created a fancy Wi-Fi password QR code. Just click the Join Network to add the Wi-Fi profile. If you have finalized the QR code design, you may download it as a PNG file. You may print the QR code with the downloaded, Hires PNG file. Now you know how to DIY your Wi-Fi details into a QR code. So start to create one, and showing your guests that you're tech savvy. We end here today. If you found my video is helpful, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.